In this video, we'll cover the first steps you should take after you receive your EB5. Once you unfold the bike, make sure all latches are properly secured. To unfold pedals, pull up and they will flip out. And don't forget our little kickstand. When unfolding the handlebars, be sure to secure the main latch and follow up with the safety latch. Once latched, you can telescope up the handlebars to the perfect riding height, but not beyond our safety marks. To adjust the grip rotation, release the top latch and find a comfortable position before locking. Adjust the seat post height and do not exceed our safety marks. Make sure your brakes are installed properly by giving a quick test. And check the throttle is free on rotation. After you have unboxed and set up your EB5, it's time to get fully charged. Expect 4 to 5 hours, and we suggest not to overcharge as this may damage your battery.